API Q2 Documentation and Standard Implementation Consultancy. Hello and welcome. In this session, we will discuss API Q2 Documentation and Standard Implementation Consultancy, provided by URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited, with a focus on practical audit-ready systems for oil and gas industry suppliers. API Q2, officially titled is specification for quality management system requirements for service supply organizations for the petroleum and natural gas industry. Sets global benchmarks for process control, risk management, and operational excellence. This standard is critical for service providers in the oilfield sector to demonstrate process consistency and reliability, risk-based operational management, compliance with regulatory and client requirements, audit readiness for certification bodies. In this session, we will cover first overview of API Q2 and its requirements, documentation structure, manuals, procedures, templates, and records, implementation strategies, audit preparedness using checklists, how URGS supports organizations end-to-end. Overview of API Q2. API Q2 builds upon ISO 9001-2015 but introduces additional oilfield specific requirements like service quality management, means ensuring consistent service delivery, risk management, means operational and process risk assessments, contract review and customer requirements, means clarity in scope and deliverables, competence and personal training, means qualification of technical personnel, measurement, analysis and improvement, means performance monitoring and control improvement. API Q2 emphasizes process orientation, statistical control, and documentation rigor, which are critical for oilfield operations where safety, reliability, and regulatory compliance are non-negotiable. URGS assists organizations in interpreting these requirements in a practical, implementable way. API Q2 documentation structure. Now, a successful API Q2 documentation relies on structured documentation. First is level 1 document, that is API Q2 manual. So it defines scope and organizational structure, establishes quality policy aligned with API Q2, maps key processes and interactions, document risk assessment framework, defines management review procedures. Then second is procedures and work instructions. These are level 2 documents. URGS International develops procedures covering risk management and mitigation, service delivery process controls, contract review and requirement validation, supplier evaluation and control, equipment calibration and traceability, personnel competence and training, non-conformance management, corrective and preventive actions. These procedures are designed for practical implementation and compliance with API Q2 clause requirements. Then third is templates and records, level 3 documents. These are called level 3 documents. Service request forms, risk assessment templates, inspection and testing records, corrective action reports, training records, audit logs, performance measurement reports. All these are level 3 documents. URGS International ensures templates are ready to use and aligned with audit expectations. Now, implementation strategy. Implementation of API Q2 is not just paperwork, it is operational integration. URGS International supports organizations by first gap analysis, means comparing existing processes with API Q2 requirements. Then second is process mapping, means identifying critical processes and control points. Then third is documentation customization, means creating manuals, procedures and templates specific to your operations. Then fourth is training and awareness, means educating staff on process adherence and risk management. Then fifth is internal audit preparation, means simulating certification audits to identify non-conformities. Then sixth is certification audit support, means coordinating with auditors and guiding closure of observations. Our consultancy ensures that documented procedures are fully aligned with operational reality, which is essential for audit success. Now, audit preparation and checklists. API Q2 audit assess both documentation and implementation effectiveness. URGS prepares custom audit checklists covering management system compliance, risk assessment and mitigation activities, personnel competence and training records, service delivery performance, corrective and preventive actions, measurement analysis and improvement processes. Our approach includes pre-audit simulations, allowing organizations to proactively address gaps before certification audits. We also train internal auditors to ensure continuous compliance and operational excellence. Who should take this consultancy? API Q2 consultancy from URGS is ideal for oil field service providers, maintenance and inspection companies, engineering contractors, equipment suppliers for oil and gas projects, organizations aiming for ISO integrated quality management systems, aligned with API Q2. Whether you are a small service company or large multinational supplier, URGS International provides customized documentation and implementation guidance. At last, to summarize, API Q2 is critical standard for oil field service suppliers. Compliance requires structured manuals, procedures, templates, and audit-ready documentation. URGS International provides end-to-end consultancy including gap analysis, documentation, implementation, training, and certification audit support. Ensure your organization achieves operational excellence, audit readiness, and global credibility by leveraging expert consultancy from URGS. Please contact us to our email ID info@urgseng.com and our mobile number +91 7359458455. This is our WhatsApp number. Also, thank you for watching this session. Please like, share and subscribe for more professional quality management insights. Thank you.